How to work out the limiting reagent. So here is a typical question. 150 molecules of H2 react with 100 molecules of oxygen. What is the limiting reagent and how many molecules of H2O would be produced? And you're given the equation 2H2 plus O2 goes to 2H2O. So if we look at the numbers in the equation, i.e. that one and that one, what it tells us is that 2 molecules of hydrogen react with 1 molecule of oxygen, and then we get from that 2 molecules of water. However, the question doesn't give us 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. It gives us 150 molecules of hydrogen and it gives us 100 molecules of oxygen. So we have 100 molecules of oxygen and we have 150 molecules of hydrogen. Now, because the equation shows us that we should have a 2:1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen, and we don't have a 2:1 ratio of hydrogen to oxygen based on the information in the question, that means we don't have enough hydrogen because we have 100 molecules of oxygen, but for there to be the equivalent number of moles of hydrogen, you would have to have twice that number, 1 to 2. So this number isn't 200, which means the limiting reagent is the hydrogen because there's not enough of it. The second part of the question is how many molecules of H2O of water would be produced. So the limiting factor, the thing that determines how much you can get because there's the least amount of it, is hydrogen. So if we go back to the equation, 2 molecules of hydrogen react with 1 molecule of oxygen to give 2 molecules of water. We only have 150 molecules of hydrogen, which means we'd end up with 150 molecules of water. So 150 molecules of water would be made.